Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I'll teach you how to replace a particular text from your paragraph or text. Okay, you can see here there is some lines, and all of that lines containing two words like young and animal. Okay, I need to change this young word to baby. Okay, how to change this? Just select this word, then press Control key and H at the same time for opening replace dialog box. Okay, Control and H. Press the Control and H. Now open this one. Uh, Replace dialog box. Okay, we are already selected this line, so there is no the input is young. Okay, we need to change this to baby. I'm typing here baby. Okay, and you can replace that particular selected word or all of that word from this paragraph. Okay, just click replace all. Done. We have replaced all of that word from this text. So in this case, you can use this method is what all of the Notepad. This is the basic Notepad from Microsoft, and you can use also this Notepad plus plus, the one of the best software for editing words. So you can use this method in Windows, Word, other Office tools. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and comment your thoughts and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.